Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we have a very dramatic matte black smoky eye. This one right here, it's like a punch in the eye smoky eye, but I hope you like it. I did it because for the past month I was kind of in a mood to do just graphic looks, and today I wasn't. So this is the look I came up with. I hope you like it, so let's start. Applying a base for the eyes is a must for me, so I always do this. I am using here the soft ochre from MAC. For the eyes, I went with the Huda Beauty There's a Dust palette, and this one is amazing. The quality of it, the pigmentation of the colors, it's there. So I am using first a matte vanilla color, which is just to set the base I applied. Then on a 228 from Ziva, I'm taking this color, which is my transition color, and this is called Eden. It's like a matte salmon color, and I love this one. I'm always using it when I use this palette. Next I'm taking Blazing, which is also matte, and it's like a brick color, so it's perfect to intensify the outer corner and the crease area with it. Amber is another orangey based eyeshadow. It's also matte, and I am going to use it as a third eyeshadow to create like a gradient for my crease. So this is going to give even more depth to the whole work I've done. So now I'm going to transform this look into a matte black look. So I'm taking Black Track from MAC, which is a gel eyeliner, and this is going to be the base for, the blackness. I'm using a 233, a shader brush from Ziva, and I'm doing taping motions. From the beginning I want to blend out as I go the edges, because it's just harder to do that in the end. So as I've said, this is just the base for the eyeshadow that's coming on top of this. So I want the blackest black on my eyelids, and because of that I need this gel eyeliner on the lids first. So this is also very good as a base in general. The gel eyeliner, if you put it directly on the lid and then a eyeshadow on top of that, is not going to go anywhere. It's going to be bulletproof and sweatproof. So now you can take any matte black eyeshadow. It's not that important because you already have the matte black base, but this eyeshadow is just a blend out the edges and to even out the lid. So the eyeshadow I'm using is from Maybelline, and I like this one because it doesn't have so much fallout. Also the brush is a small blending brush from Ziva. It's the 224. I'm applying a bit more of that amber color because I want the transition to be quite seamless. So I'm leaving the eyes for now, and I'm moving on to the eyebrows. I am using the Wonder Brow in brunette and a 263 angled brush from MAC. Eyebrows done, so I'm applying now my moisturizer, which is the Hydrine Riche from La Roche-Posay, and then my foundation is the NYC Smooth Skin Liquid Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. This brush I'm using is from Morphe. It's the M439 Deluxe Buffer Brush, and I must say this brush with this foundation, it's a match made in heaven. For concealer I'm using the Correcting palette from Makeup Forever. I'm taking that salmon kind of color, and I am applying it with a Japanese concealer brush. So that color went in the inner part of the eye to counteract the mauvey area I have there. And now I am mixing that same shade with the lighter one, and I'm putting that on top to brighten the area. For illuminating just certain areas, I'm using Perfect Match Touche Magique Concealer in the shade Rose Beige, and as you can see, I am applying this only to the inner part of the eye, the highest point of the cheekbone, and along the nose between the eyebrows, where I normally actually apply my highlighters. So this will catch the light quite beautifully when I move my head. To set the whole concealed area, I'm using the Bare Minerals Well Rested. It's a loose powder, and I'm applying this with the e.l.f. brush. For the rest of my face, I'm using MAC's Translucent Loose Powder and also a Real Techniques powder brush. For giving dimension to my face, I'm using Revolution Makeup, the Ultra Contour Palette. And first I'm taking a bronzing shade, that one right there, and a Zoeva bronzing brush. Then with the contour shade, I am going to contour my nose, and this is a 227 from Zoeva. Then to highlight underneath the brows, I am using the Highbrow Glow from Benefit. The same product I'm using as a nose highlighter, and this is going to make the nose look more narrow and straighter. This highlighter from the same palette I'm taking next on a Zoeva Fen brush, and I am using this sparingly because it's very pigmented and blinding, and I'm applying this where I normally apply it, so to the highest points of my face. Le blush is from L'Oreal. It's the Rouge Perfect Match in 120, the sandalwood pink, and it has like a very decent satiny finish. I love also the color. Mascara, it's black one. It's the Total Temptation from Maybelline. For false eyelashes, I chose the Iconic Lights from House of Lashes, and the adhesive is the Duo Clear one. Then I'm taking again the black track from MAC and a angled brush from Real Techniques, and as you can see, I am applying this quite heavily underneath the eyes, and I am also doing like a small flick on the inner part of the eye. To blend the edges, I'm taking again Maybelline's matte black eyeshadow from the beginning and a small details brush. Most of the time I'm using a waterproof mascara for the lower lashes, and this one is from MAC. It's the Giga Black Extended Play in black, of course, and I like this one because it really is waterproof and it's not going to smudge underneath the eyes. For lip liner, I'm using a Manhattan Long Lasting one in the shade 94N. And I've used and talked about those lip liners in different videos of mine. I use them on and off camera because I think they are very good quality. I love them. I love this gloss. It's from L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Mega Gloss in 505. Never Let Me Go. And it's not sticky. It's not sticky. I love it. So guys, this was my smoky eye. I hope you liked it as always. If you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me also on social media. It might be worth it. So I'm gonna catch you now in my next tutorial. Bye.